The Repetitious Parrot. A baby parrot went to live in a forest where a community of monks resided. One of the monks took a liking to the parrot and began feeding and teaching it. During one of his sessions, the holy man warned the parrot, "Look, parrot, you must be careful. You are a most beautiful bird with your bright green and turquoise feathers. You could be caught in a hunter's net." The parrot repeated the monk's warning. "Oh, parrot, you must be careful. Oh, parrot, you must be careful." The next day, the monk came to feed the bird and heard the parrot repeating his words. "Oh, parrot, you must be careful." He realized he needed to share more with the parrot. "You see," he said as he was feeding the bird, "the hunter will come and spread grain. If you get attracted to the grain and begin eating, he will throw a net over you and take you away. Oh, parrot, be careful." Every day the monk fed the parrot, and every day he heard the parrot repeat his words. One bright, sunny morning, a hunter was near and heard the parrot saying, "Oh, parrot, be careful. Oh, parrot, be careful." "Oh, just my luck," the hunter softly exclaimed. "Just what I have been looking for. A parrot." The hunter crept forward and peered through the trees. What he saw delighted him. "Oh, this parrot is even more beautiful than I expected. If I am very tricky, I can catch him." With that, the hunter moved closer to the parrot with grain. He pretended not to notice the parrot while he laid out his net and spread the grain generously all over it. While he did so, he sang to himself, "This food is good, I am happy to share it. This food is so good, I am happy to share." He kept repeating his little ditty until all of the grain was gone. The hunter left the way he came, singing his song as he went. "This food is so good, I am happy to share it. This food is so good, I am happy to share." The hunter only went as far as needed in order to see the parrot, but not have the parrot see him. The parrot stared at the net and began to sing the hunter's song while he did. "This food is so good, I am happy to share it. This food is so good, I am happy to share." The monk was working in the gardens and he heard the parrot sing. Because it wasn't a song the monk knew, he went to investigate. As he neared the parrot, the monk noticed him flying low over the net. The monk realized what was happening and shouted, "Oh, parrot, be careful! Oh, parrot, be careful!" The parrot had just reached the net and began eating the grain when he heard the monk shouting. He repeated the monk's words, "Oh, parrot, be careful!" But by this time, the net closed over him and the hunter swooped in, grabbed the net, and ran away. The monk was unable to catch the hunter and felt very sorry the parrot was unable to understand the truth of the words he was repeating. The end.